You okay?
Oh my god. Who's man?
Fuck. Damn. I got that on video. What the fuck?
Holy fuck, dude!
Really, bro? Fucking kidding me?
The impact she has on him. Like the shit she says and does to him, it's just ridiculous. What the fuck?
Go ahead,
Fucker. Oh my god.
go. Just follow him,
Motherfucker. I tried braking. God.
No, yeah, he hit the other person. He didn't hit me.
What the?
That's someone tailgating you?
Yeah, I was trying to figure out if they were.
Oh my god! I knew it!
I'm calling.
I fucking knew it!
I know, I'm calling.
Pull the fuck over, truck! Oh my god!
Hi, I called just now about the drunk driver,
He just fucking in the
and
truck.
he just got into an accident.
Питер ФМ. Твое настоящее.
О, бля, на, пизды, ты видел?
Офигеть! Нет, прямо посмотри, прям, да?
Ага.
А можешь сохранить? Конечно,
Да,
у него
да.
там уже
Что
двоих.
случилось-то?
Oh, for God's sake, please. What?
College roommate and I were sitting on the couch as the summer started rolling around, right at the end of our sophomore year in college. My sister graduated from University in Bloomington, Indiana. And, you know, I said, what are you doing this summer? Because he and I had both lived in Charleston, South Carolina the summer before. And he said, you know, I think I'm probably going to go back out to California and work on that olive farm, you know, that my family just acquired and, you know, do manual labor pretty much. I said, so you really, you know, you just go up there, you do farm work? And he said, well, yeah, I mean, you know, once a week or once every 2 weeks, I'll go to Folsom, the town of Folsom that Johnny Cash will sing about, or has sung about.
Holy crap, what happened? What happened?
Yes.
Holy shit, what the fuck's up with those trucks? Oh my god!